Hi, this is Tega here. Hope all are doing great. So today our topic is there tuples in Python, like what are the tuples and how to use tuples in the Python. So tuples also are like we can say it's data type, even though sometimes we'll store the value like list. So we can call this a data sequence data types. Okay. So here what I will do, how to denote a tuple first of all. So it is by bracket. It is denoted by round bracket and how I will take like example, I will take like t1 is equal to first I will do okay. I'll take one example only. What I will do here first empty. If I'll take like t1 equal to denoted by this one. This is empty tuple. In interview maybe they will ask you how to create empty tuple. So like this you can say empty tuple. If I want to check whether it's created or not, so I will go for t1. Then I will check the type also. We have the type function. So with the help of type function, we will check the type also. Okay, so here first I will execute this one. Okay, just one sec. Select and enter this tuple. Here, see here you can see the tuple name is t1. Its type of tuple, size is 0 and it's empty. We do not have any, nothing is there. So if I will check here, you can see here it's empty tuple. If I will check the type also, it's a class is tuple type. Like this we can create empty tuple. Now I will take another example with the elements. What I will do here, I will take t1, t1 is equal to, I will take a 10, 20, 30, and I will check here, then I will display the tuple t1, check the type of okay, now we got the value of which is type class tuple types and we got the value. Now we just want to see like like in list we can perform any n number of operations. So the tuple also will check can we perform some operation on the in tuples. So first of all I would like to check if slicing is there or not. Okay, so I'll take tf. We know slicing, like how to do slicing. T1, then we will take with the square bracket. If I'll check like t1 of 1, okay, I'll take this 3 means it show like 0 1 2 3. It should show the 40 output. Choose the 40 in output, you got the 40. Can I apply the this minus indexing? Okay, so I'll go for minus indexing. See, minus also we can do. Once 50 we got it. Can I apply this one also? P1 off, like start from 1 end with 4. Can I do like range? I do in range also start with 1 and with 4, like 1 2 3 4. So it will not consider the last one, it will consider these 3 elements only. 20 30 40. Okay, done. Now in the list we can perform so many operations. Can I perform the same operation in this one also? So first of all I will do one thing. Can we add some value into the list? I will check like t1 equal to, okay, t1, and this is my zeroth index. Can I assign in the zeroth index I have the 10. Zeroth index I have the 10, but can I assign some value to here, like any string value or anything we can take. String value. Can I do it? See, if I'll try to execute, it will throw some error. We can see it's a type error. Tuple the object does not have item support item assignment. We cannot do it. Okay, it will not work it. So what I will do here, okay, so what we can do perform, so t1 dot, if I'll check here, we can see here only the count method will work and index method. First I will show you the index method, how the index method will work. If I want to see my 20 is on which position, so we see here t20 is in which position, 0 and 1 second first position. Okay, so if I check the, it will show the index is 1, 20 index is 1. Okay, now what I will do here, I'll take one more double t1. First I will do one thing, I will add in that list only, in that list itself only. I will take like 10 comma 20 comma 10 more 10. I will edit same list only and I will select and I will execute that list. Now I will check t1 dot count. count method, I want to check that 10, how many times is there or not. So 10 is 3 times. This normal operation we can perform. In the tuple, we can perform like index method and the count method. Now you will think, why we cannot perform any of the operation in the tuples, then why we should go for the tuples? I would like to tell you in interview, maybe they'll ask you, surely they'll ask you this question. For that, what you easily can answer them, you can tell them for the security purpose, we will define for the tuple data type. Okay, but what we will do, like for example, in you need, okay, you have defined some data in the security purpose, but on urgent basis you would like to change to the data, then what you will do, then what I will do here, then we have one method, let's say typecast. So first I will typecast in the list tuple. I have t1 tuple, then I will typecast, then I will t1 equal to, I will store in the l1 variable. Now what I will do, first I will check, I will display the t1, then we will check the type of l1. What's the type of l1? Then I will check l1. Okay, first see here, I have typecast here l1 equal to t1. See here also you can see this typecast, everything you can see here. I will show you here. Okay, here you can see the type of list type, then you can see this one. Okay, done. So now I'll do one thing. I want to some perform some operation. It's a list, right? So l1 dot, I will append some method here. See, as soon as I declare the list, and then I will append method. I would like to append one method, that something like eg like this. I want to append. Now I would like to, once I will okay, l1 dot append, then l1 dot remove also. I will do one of both. I will do it dot, and I remove the I will remove 50. Okay, I'll remove 50 from this one. Then what I will do, then take like print l1, will print the l1 here. We have added one is eg in this one, and I remove the 50 is not in the list. Now what I will do here, see whatever the operation, what is the task we need to perform, we have done. Right now again I will convert back into the tuple. So how we will do, tuple of l1, then I will store into the, again into the t1, then I will print the t1, then again I will the type also t1. Now see done. Now so again it's came into this bracket, round bracket, then it's type of class. So like this we can perform. When we'll go for security purpose, then we'll use these tuples. It's not concept you can tell in the interview. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share this video links and video with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.